Cornel i'r Drenewydd, y capten Craig Williams i'w chymryd. Bailey, dros y bar. Mike Lewis yn cael blaenau fysod iddi. Cynnig da gan Bailey. I gododd o'n uwch na'r amddiffynwr, oedd o'n gryfach na'r amddiffynwr. Mike Lewis yn dod i'r adwy. Cornel i'r Barri. Patson a'i ben iddi. Cooper, Patson unwaith eto yn cael ei chlirio gan Phillips yn y pen draw. Fahia a ras amdani. O Fahia yn ei hennill un, pasio nôl i'r gol geidwad. O, mae Mike Lewis filltir oedd allan o'r gol yn ei methu hi'n llwyr a Kenton yn rhoi'r tîm cartre ar y blaen reit ar ddiwedd yr hanner cynta. Welwch chi'n gol diwythad o ran camgymeriad a hynna trwy'r penwythnos. Be o Mike Lewis yn ei wneud? Wel, falle, diolch yn gwybod ei hun. Kenton, tuag at yr eilydd, Steve Leslie. Tan ei sgwario hi ar draws i Callum Roberts. Neil Mitchell yn rhydd yn y cwrt Cosby. Mitchell a'i ben iddi, o'n rhy uchel. Cyfle da fanna i Neil Mitchell, a falle bod ganddo fo fwy o amser nag oedd o'n ei feddwl. Barri'n dal i ymosod yn yr amser sy'n cael ei ychwanegu ar ddiwedd y 90. Williams. Fletcher tuag at Leslie. Mae Kenton yn cynnig ei hun ar y dde, a mae'r bas yna wedi cael ei phwyso'n hyfryd. Tuag at Kenton yn y cwrt Cosby, cyfle sy'n cyrraedd pwyntiau. A Joe Kenton yn sgorio ei ail o'r brawn. 2 gol i ddim i'r Drenewydd. Mae'r wen ar wyneb Joe Kenton yn deud y cwbl. Pnawn arbennig i dîm Cresews. Joe Kenton y seren dim dwywaith am hynna ac yn gorffen yn hyfryd.
You know, first half, you're looking at it, I think it's probably going to be a moment of magic or a mistake, and it's probably a little bit of both. I think it was a great goal, great finish by Joe. You know, showed the composure to lift the ball over the keeper, and then we always knew that they'd have to come out because, you know, first half they sat in and made it really difficult for us. But I think the goal right in the stroke of half time probably changed the game and their approach. And, you know, second half they come out a little bit and left some spaces for us, and that's the way the second goal came, really. We punished them, and look, good win, good 3 points.
Gavin Chesterfield must be disappointed after the loss today.
Yeah, very, you know, but I'm not going to get too down about it. You know, it's a good reality check for us in terms of we've won the last 3 of the 4 games. You know, we're the form team coming into it, and you know what it's shown me, and what our players can learn today is that when we don't do the things we're good at, you know, we will lose games, and now it's about showing character and a response, and get back to Jenner Park next week.
And that top 6 well within reach now.
Look, the way it is, you've seen the results last night, you've seen the results today. You know, it can change again next week. So all we're focusing on is meeting up in the week, working hard, getting a plan together, and going up to Bala, and what will be another tough game. You know, because they're obviously, without saying, you know, a very experienced side. So and see how we go up there.